How to use lightning in Last Z survival shooter or electricity. So electricity, which should be obtained by wind turbine outputs, collecting from power plants in your world map, looting other players' bases, and buying packages. Mainly, these are used in researches or technologies. So to use them, just go ahead into your laboratory or your research area. And since this is one of the most basic resources and extensively used throughout the game, you should be able to find it pretty much in each of these. So let's say in the new home, uh, you'll notice that it should cost you electricity as well. But that's pretty much it. That's the main use of electricity in Last Survival Shooter. It is a very common resource you can get. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.